Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Ford Taurus Limited and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights. This video will apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. To remove the taillights, first leave the trunk. And you have to remove this back cover. Now to do that you'll have a couple of these black plastic screws. You can unscrew them with your hands, or if not you can use like a flat screwdriver or even pliers. So you have one here, you have one here on the top, and you'll have this one right here. So just turn it counterclockwise. Until you get it completely off. Okay, once you have all these plastic guys off, now you can pull this cloth piece off, and you will get access to all of the taillight screws right here. So all these taillight mounting nuts are 11 millimeters, so use 11 millimeter socket or a wrench key to remove them. Now once you have all these screws out, the taillight itself will be completely loose and ready to be removed. Now there is one more thing. You can either disconnect this wiring harness right here at this connector. There's like a small clip just on top of it if you want to remove the taillight with these complete wires, or you can disconnect it later once you pull out the taillight just on the taillight. That's up to you. I will disconnect it here. Now to remove the taillight, you just want to grab it and pull it towards yourself, wiggle it a bit, and it should go off. You're supposed to use two hands while doing this, but okay, this is the way to do it. Now if this taillight is kind of stuck and you cannot get it out, the best thing to use would be like a plastic trim remover, which you can pry just here and push the taillight gently out. That way you won't make any scratches to the paint. But generally the taillight should go out by itself. And now the last thing, like I said, is just to disconnect it. So just here on the bottom, try to show you, you'll have like a small clip which you want to press, and then wiggle these wires out. Okay, see, there's this tab to press. This is how you can remove the taillight. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.